Buying a new car is an exciting experience. That fresh smell, the smooth drive, and the peace of mind that comes with owning something brand new. But what happens if that new car is totaled in an accident? Can you afford a replacement? That's where new car replacement insurance comes in. Learn more about how this coverage works, what it includes, and why it can be a smart investment by watching this video. And be sure to visit autoinsurance.org today. To find new car replacement coverage from top companies in your area, simply enter your zip code in our free quote tool, answer a few quick questions, and explore your options effortlessly. Most people don't realize how fast a car depreciates. The moment you drive off the lot, your car loses value. A new vehicle can depreciate by as much as 20% within the first year alone. Without new car replacement insurance, your standard policy will only cover the car's actual cash value at the time of the accident. That means if your car is totaled, you could be left covering thousands of dollars out of pocket just to replace it with a new one. New car replacement insurance eliminates this gap by reimbursing you for a brand new vehicle of the same make and model. How new car replacement insurance works. With rates starting as low as $5 per month, this type of coverage is ideal for anyone purchasing a new vehicle. Let's break it down. If you bought a car for $35,000 and it gets totaled in a covered accident within the first year, new car replacement insurance ensures you receive a brand new vehicle, not just the depreciated value. You won't have to settle for a used or cheaper model. Instead, you'll get a car of the same make, model, and price. Head to autoinsurance.org to compare quotes today. Find the cheapest usage-based auto insurance program for your lifestyle with just a few clicks. You can explore multiple options to fit your needs. What do different insurers offer for new car replacement coverage? Here's a breakdown of some top providers and what their coverage includes. Number 1, Allstate. Allstate provides new car replacement for 2 model years old or newer vehicles, ensuring you get a brand new car of the same make and model if yours is totaled. This coverage helps prevent financial loss due to depreciation, making it a great option for new car owners. Number 2, Farmers. Farmers offers new car replacement for the first 2 years of ownership, covering the full cost of a new vehicle without factoring in depreciation. If your car is totaled within this period, you won't have to worry about falling short on replacement costs. Find the best auto insurance rates at autoinsurance.org. Just enter your zip code, answer a few simple questions, and explore coverage options tailored to your needs. Number 3, Geico. Geico covers the cost of replacing your totaled vehicle with a brand new one, as long as it meets their eligibility criteria. This coverage is particularly beneficial for drivers who want extra security in case of an accident that results in a total loss. Number 4, Liberty Mutual. Liberty Mutual provides a comprehensive new car replacement option for cars less than 1 year old and with fewer than 15,000 miles. This ensures you won't have to settle for a lower value replacement if your vehicle is totaled within this time frame. For lower premiums, autoinsurance.org makes it easy today. Compare quotes from top providers by entering your zip code and see how much you could save today. Number 5, Nationwide. The first 2 years or 24,000 miles of ownership include new vehicle replacement coverage. This can be a valuable safeguard for those who drive frequently but want to maintain their vehicle's original value. Number 6, Progressive. Progressive insures a brand new car replacement if your vehicle is totaled within its first model year. This coverage can be especially useful for those purchasing new cars and wanting financial protection against early accidents. Get the right coverage at the right price with autoinsurance.org. Use our free quote tool to compare insurance rates and discover affordable options near you instantly. Number 7, State Farm. State Farm offers a new car replacement add-on that helps cover the cost of a new vehicle if yours is deemed a total loss. With this option, policyholders can avoid the financial burden of paying out of pocket for a replacement that matches their original purchase. Number 8, The Hartford. The Hartford provides new car replacements for up to 15 months or 15,000 miles after purchase, giving policyholders added peace of mind. This is particularly beneficial for older drivers or those purchasing a vehicle for long-term reliability. Your perfect auto insurance policy is just a few clicks away. Visit autoinsurance.org today. Enter your zip code, and easily compare quotes from top insurance providers to find the best deals on coverage that suits your needs and budget. Number 9, Travelers. Covers the full cost of replacing a totaled vehicle with a brand new one within a specified time frame. This coverage helps ensure that unexpected accidents won't leave you struggling to afford a comparable new vehicle. Number 10, USAA Insurance. USAA offers new car replacement coverage for eligible military members, helping them replace a totaled vehicle with a brand new model. This is a great option for service members seeking financial security and reliable coverage while on active duty or beyond. Each provider has different eligibility requirements, restrictions, and conditions, so review the details before choosing a policy. If you own a new car or plan to purchase one soon, investing in new car replacement coverage can provide long-term financial protection and peace of mind. Who should consider new car replacement insurance? Not everyone needs new car replacement insurance, but it's a great option if your vehicle meets the following criteria. It is less than 1 year old. It has fewer than 15,000 miles. It was never pre-owned. This coverage is especially useful for drivers who want to protect their investments against rapid depreciation. If you meet these conditions, it's worth considering. Regulations and restrictions. Insurance companies have specific rules regarding new car replacement coverage. Some insurers require you to purchase it within 6 months of buying a new vehicle, while others allow you to add it at any time before an accident occurs. For example, Nationwide mandates coverage within 6 months of purchase, while Aree allows drivers to add coverage as long as it's before an accident. It's also important to note that some insurers do not simultaneously allow you to have gap insurance and new car replacement coverage. Comparing new car replacement insurance and gap insurance. Many people confuse new car replacement insurance with gap insurance, but they serve different purposes. New car replacement insurance pays for a brand new vehicle if yours is totaled. Gap insurance covers the remaining balance on your auto loan if your car is totaled but does not replace the vehicle. If you have an auto loan, gap insurance might be useful, but it won't provide a new vehicle. Be sure to review your policy carefully before purchasing. Shop smarter and save at autoinsurance.org today. Don't overpay for car insurance and compare personalized quotes and uncover savings on the right policy for you. Maximizing value with new car replacement insurance. The best way to get the most out of your new car replacement insurance is to purchase it early, compare providers, and understand your coverage limits. Here are some final tips. Shop around. Compare quotes from multiple providers. Check eligibility. Make sure you meet the mileage and ownership requirements. Review terms. Understand how long coverage lasts and when to cancel it. Consider your needs. If you drive infrequently, you may not need it, but if your car depreciates quickly, it could be a smart investment. If you recently bought a new car replacement insurance could be the best way to protect your investment. It ensures you won't be left paying out of pocket to replace a rapidly depreciated vehicle. Autoinsurance.org helps you find the best coverage at the most affordable rates. Simply enter your zip code and see how much you can save. That's all for today. If this video helped you understand the importance of new car replacement insurance, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable insurance tips. Until next time, take care and drive safely.